very good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing a new topic, unity in diversity. First, we discuss what is unity. First, we discuss definition of diversity. Ordinarily, diversity means difference. For our purposes, however, it means something more than mere differences. It means collective differences, that is difference which mark of one group of people to from another group. These differences may be of any sort: biological, religious, linguistic, etc. The point to be noted that diversity refers to collective difference between people. The term diversity is opposite of the word uniformity. Diversity means variety. For all practical purposes, it means variety of group and culture. What are the elements of diversity? When we talk about diversity, diversity represents the full spectrum of human demographic differences, races, religion, gender, sexual orientation, age, socioeconomic status, or physical disability. There are different examples of diversity. For example, race, religious differences. What is unity and how we can define unity? Unity means integration. It is a social psychological condition. It connotes a sense of oneness, a sense of we-ness. It stands for the bond which holds the member of a society together. There's a difference between unity and uniformity. Uniformity presupposes similarity. Unity does not presuppose any similarity. What are the example of unity? India has a variety of caste and creed, even though it is united. It is good example of unity. When we define unity, unity in diversity is a concept of unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation, that shift focus from unity based on a mere tolerance of physical, cultural, linguistic, social, religious, political, ideological, or psychological differences towards a more complex unity based on understanding that differentiate, enrich human interaction. Example would include any biological diversity. Okay, hope you can understand unity and diversity also. Then we move to next topic, unity and diversity in India. Our former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase unity in diversity. In spite of different language, religion, and food habit, there is unity in India. The most often noticed feature of Indian society is unity in diversity. This phrase celebrates how India has been stronger by welcoming various cultural, social, and ethnic elements. It also transcends the notion of accommodation without assimilation, has been the key feature of Indian civilization. Unity in diversity is a popular motto within and among nation state and also in political and social movement. Sources of diversity in India. Hello, 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 hello. Sources of diversity in India. We find in India diversity in different form, racial, linguistic, religious, and caste-based. Racial, linguistic, religious, caste-based, and social diversity. Racial diversity based on physical features such as skin color, nose, hair. The first group include the Neolithic and Paleolithic men who inhabited in this country since the remote past. The second group of people belongs to Mongoloid type. Herbert Risley, British anthropologist and sociologist, had classified the people of India into seven racial types. These are Turco-Iranian, Indo-Aryan, Scythian Dravidians, Aryo-Dravidians, Mongoloid Dravidians, Mongoloid and Dravidians. B.S. Guha, another eminent sociologist and anthropologist, in 1952 had identified six racial features. Negrito, number one. Number two, Proto-Australoid. Number three, Mongoloid, the Mediterranean. Fourth, number fifth, the Western, Bacillus Felis. And sixth one is Nordic. When we talk about linguistic diversity, three-fourths of India speak Indo-Aryan languages. Dravidian languages in southern part of India. India has almost 122 languages, 15 and 99 dialects, thus making it one of the most linguistically diversified nation of the world. We have always have a sort of link language, though it has varied from age to age. In ancient time it was Sanskrit, in medieval age it was Arabic or Persian. In modern time we have Hindi and English as the official language. When we talk about religious diversity in India, people of different religion live together. Hindus are in majority, followed by Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Judaism, and among others. Hinduism is dominant religion. Caste diversity, fourth feature. What is caste? Caste is unique feature of Indian society. The term caste is generally used in two senses. In the sense of varna, in the sense of jati. Varna refers to a segment of the fourfold division of Hindu society based on functional criteria. Four varnas are Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudras, with their specialized function as learning, defense, trade, and manual service. The Varna hierarchy accepted all over India. Jati refers to hereditary endogamous status group practicing a specific traditional occupation. There are more than 3,000 castes exist in modern India. These are hierarchically graded in one or another way. We find caste system also exists in Muslim community also, Sikh community also, and Christian community also. Last one is social diversity. People differ considerably in the social habit. They differ in their dress, custom, food habit, manner. Different kind of festivals are observed in different part of country by different category of people. Thank you very much. Hope you can understand what is unity and what is diversity and how Indian society diversified and how it is different from other groups. Thank you very much.